What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and I wanted to start this one off with a question slash riddle that applies to most people. What fruit do you have on your body a very, very large percentage of the time? I'll let you think about that real quick. Yeah, if we were talking about phones, cell phones, Apple iPhones, I know that doesn't apply to everyone, and that was a terrible riddle slash joke slash question. But what we are talking about today is 5 apps that you can actually start making money with your phone. Because in all reality, guys, our phone is attached to us like crazy. It is always with us. Some people start having a panic attack when they don't have their phone with them. I'm sure someone can relate to that. That's not me personally, but I do use my phone way too often in most cases. So I thought, why not find a way? Why not find a way to actually start making money and putting to use that phone that is always attached to yourself? So in this video, we have 5 apps. There are a ton of apps out there, a ton of scammy things where they just take your information and sell it to the black market or sell it to people in China or whatever. We have run through all of the different apps, done the research, and cut them down, cut all the bull crap out, and are giving you the best 5 apps to start making money with your phone here in 2020. And yes, these ones pay directly into your account. No whoop-de-wops, no workarounds where they're paying you in this weird currency or it's only gift cards. These apps pay directly into your account, cold, hard cash. Or, I guess cold, hard numbers in a computer. Whatever floats your boat there. So if you guys are new here, my name is Rhett Taylor, and on this channel we talk about making money, ways to make money online, ways to make money in life, how to work from home, jobs to work from home, and really just anything in the realm of money and absolutely crushing it in life. So if you don't mind, drop this video a like and subscribe down below, and also ring that little bell so you're always up to date with what's going on here 5 days a week. Also, dropping a like, if you didn't know, helps out the YouTube algorithm, basically saying, hey, this is a good video, and it shares it with more people who also might find these videos helpful and valuable, and where they can start actually implementing them into their life as well. So guys, don't be selfish. You guys aren't selfish, I know that. So drop a like, subscribe down below, and let's hop right into number 5. So number 5 here is soap. Nope, it's FOAP. FOAP, soap, F-O-A-P. Terrible name. Reminds me of soap. We're working for soap. We're making money with soap. No. FOAP. This is an app that actually pays you for images you take. This is a great one for the people that actually really like taking pictures. If 95% of their phone storage space is taken up by photos, then this is the app for you. This is an app where you can submit your photos onto the platform, and they actually pay out 50% of the list price. So you can make $10, $15, $20 from every single photo you upload to this platform. And you might be asking, okay, Rhett, who wants my photos? I mean, I'm not a very good photographer. Actually, a funny story real quick. I'm from Texas originally. So, we have the State Fair of Texas. And if you're not familiar with the State Fair of Texas, it's just a giant fair with lots of food, and there's this one attraction. It's this giant cowboy. He's like, he's hundreds of feet tall. He's ginormous. He actually caught on fire at one point, and it was kind of tragic. But I think he's, actually, now that I think about it, unfortunately the guy that voiced him just died recently. Anyways, I'm getting off on a tangent, but I went there with one of my ex-girlfriends in the past, and they're like, oh, take a picture of us in front of Big Tex. That was his name, Big Tex. And your boy, Rhett, actually didn't get Big Tex in the picture. I just took a picture of them and got like his boots, because he's so massive. And I always joke with that, how bad I am at it taking pictures, that I didn't even get Big Tex in the picture when I took the picture. So this is not an app for me personally, because I suck at taking pictures. Anybody that says, Rhett, take a picture, I can't do it. I need to dish that off to someone that's not gonna screw it up. But if you are a shutterbug, if you love taking pictures, then you can easily do this by taking pictures that you're already taking and uploading those to FOAP and actually get paid for every picture that you upload and that they choose. So number 4 here is Field Agent. We have Field Agent, and we also have a couple more that I will mention here in a second that are very similar to this app. Field agent is actually a really cool and fun one where you're actually going to stores and taking pictures of random items like tortillas and boxes of cereal and certain hot sauces, whatever they tell you to actually go and take a picture of. And there's other options on that platform in this app, but this is the one that's most popular and, you know, in my opinion, the most fun. And basically the reason they're paying out for this specific service and task is simply because the big brands out there, the big product brands that have their products in all of these stores across the United States and across the world, they need to make sure their brand and their products are being represented correctly in the eyes of, you know, the company and the brand. Because, you know, if their products out there, you know, giving off a bad image because of the store and how the store is displaying them, then they need to know that. So they are hiring people like you and me to go out there and take some selfies. Now, not take selfies, but take pictures of their products to make sure they're being represented correctly. And these jobs take anywhere from like 10 to 15 minutes. If you're going to the store, sign up for a couple of these and pay for your groceries with this. You can get paid anywhere from $5 to $15 per task and per item. So you could easily go to the store and knock out a couple of them and have it really pay for your groceries when you're there already. So it's a really cool way where, yeah, you're not gonna get super rich and wealthy with this, but it can help out with some extra expenses and maybe get some free grocery trips. There are actually 3 other apps that you can take advantage of that are very similar to this one. The first one is Easy Shift, the second one is Shopkick, and the third one is Book Scouter. And basically you can sign up for all of these and go into the same store and be able to knock out a bunch of these at the same time. And like I said, get yourself a free grocery trip simply by just going there, doing these tasks, and taking pictures of items you might already be buying. So number 3 is Dosh, D-O-S-H. And Dosh is a really cool one because it's very passive. There's no reason not to download it and not to start using it because you're getting rewarded for places you're already shopping at. It's basically a cashback reward app where, you know, you attach a debit or credit card to it and it doesn't take your information. It's a very safe and legit and verified app where actually they assign your card, and whenever you use that specific card at these places that are listed on Dosh, you get cash back in the app that you can either take out or you can buy things within the app itself. And the cool thing is, you know, it's super easy, and this is something you're already doing in the first place, so you might as well get rewarded with it. And plus, they have a really cool, unique affiliate program where basically the people you refer, you get like $5 a piece per person you refer. So, you know, of course, do the math. If you post it on Facebook and say, hey guys, there's absolutely no reason not to download this app, you could easily make a couple $100 with just people downloading the apps, you know, based on your friends and how much they like you, right? So number 2 here is Google Opinion Rewards. And this is a disclaimer on this one. This one is not going to pay you, you know, $100 a month, even $100 a week or a year. I don't know. It's not something that will pay you like crazy. But again, it doesn't take a lot of time. And it pays out some money for really just you taking a small little questionnaire about a certain product or about something that you know, that's related to you. Obviously, something very beneficial about this app is simply it's from Google. It has over 1.7 million 4-star rating reviews where it's very legit and very verified, obviously, like I said, because it's Google, and there's nothing to fear with this. You can get questions every so often, fill them out, take a couple minutes, get paid for it, and be able to store that money away later. And like I said, with all of these apps, guys, you're not going to become an overnight millionaire with them. Even if you keep at them for a long time, it's not going to make you a millionaire. These are things that will make you money that is taking advantage of things you're already doing or time that you're not doing anything with to start generating you some money so you can funnel that money into a more profitable, scalable, more automated form of business. You know, like creating your own advertising agency or creating a Shopify store or, you know, starting your own Amazon FBA business or FBA agency. And these are things that those require a little bit more money to actually get going with. And you can use this money you're saving away and earning from all these apps and funnel that into these business models that actually are very scalable and where you can really generate life-changing growth and wealth with. And I want to take a time out here and I want to just say how grateful and thankful I am for all of my loyal, lovely subscribers. You know, I have a new channel here. It's not exactly booming. We don't have 2 million subscribers, but we have enough where I'm very happy with and I'm very grateful for everyone that has taken the plunge and said, hey, I'm going to subscribe here. I'm going to listen to what he's got to say. And I just want to say I appreciate that, and I appreciate your support and your kindness and your, you know, time that you're giving me to watch my videos and and showing me some love and appreciation, saying, hey, Rhett, these videos aren't terrible. They're good to watch, they're helpful, and they've been helping me and brightening my day. So that is something that is very dear to my heart, and I'm very, very grateful for that. And I just wanted to say that and let you know that I'm happy to be doing what I'm doing, and I'm grateful for your support and your love. Something I did want to say about all of these businesses, all of these apps, and all of these things like Amazon and Shopify and advertising, everything like that, is the main thing, the biggest key to success I can give you is simply consistency and focus. Because there is always a tipping point when it comes to people in their career. If you look back at all these people, there's always this tipping point that where all of their consistency and focus and hard work and effort and determination and self-discipline all pays off, and it's like this one point. It's the, oh, he's an overnight millionaire point, because all the people outside looking in, they just see that and they don't see all the work, all the months and months and months of hard work and determination that led up to that point. There's always that tipping point. There's that switch that goes off, that everything pays off with that one point. Whether it be a YouTube channel absolutely blowing up and you think, oh, he just put in one video and he's an instant millionaire. No, you don't see that he put up 100 videos before that. It's just like Mr. Beast. I don't personally watch him or really follow him much at all, but I know that, you know, the first 100 videos he made, he only had like 600 or 700 subscribers. And you know, that's a lot of videos you put up in there, that you put up, and the effort and the time you put in to not really get a lot out. But then there's always that one tipping point, that one moment where you just explode and everything starts to come into like reality, and you say, wow, I did it, I made it, it's really, really happening. So guys, whatever you're doing, whatever you choose to do, just make sure to focus, stay disciplined, and never, never give up. Because guys, I was once a loan officer assistant, and to be very frank, I was terrible at it. I funded like 2 loans my entire time, and I was just not very good at it. And I found something I am good at and I enjoy doing. And whatever you find, you just have to stay consistent and keep pushing and keep going and just never give up, guys. That's as simple as I can make it. So we'll hop into number 1 here, and that is smashing that like button if you have not already. Right? No, but number 1 is TaskRabbit. And this is just a really cool one that allows you to either hire people or be hired just to do random tasks that people need done, whether it's moving, whether, you know, it's mounting the TV, whether it's mowing your grass. It really has a really wide variety of tasks that you can go and offer your skills at for people that need them. Because, you know, people are busy, people are lazy, people don't want to do or don't know how to do certain things, and you can be on there at their beckoning call and say, hey, I got you, I can do this for you. And kind of a bonus tip here with that is maybe if you have a skill that you can kind of build a business around, for example, you know, like lawn care or moving, you could start with, you know, TaskRabbit and build that clientele base and build that into a business that you can grow and scale and hire employees and make it into a lot bigger thing, all starting from this one app. And this one, you don't need any special skills, you don't need a degree, you don't need to go learn a bunch of stuff. It's the stuff you already have, it's the skills you already have that you can offer and make, maybe depending on your skill and your hustle, almost a full-time income from. And you might be thinking, all of my foreign friends out there, okay, none of these apps work in my country, I can't do this, this is just, I give up. People give up way too easily. If you can't find it, if this doesn't apply in your country, simply just Google the app, just go similar app in your country. It's not that difficult, just Google it and figure it out. You are an internet entrepreneur, you are an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs don't just give up, they figure things out and they get stuff done. It's a big puzzle. And you gotta be able to roll with the punches, get punched in the face, get punched in the stomach, get slapped across the face, and be able to keep going and figure it out. So guys, whether you have an Apple or an Android or a Google phone or whatever the other kind of phones are out there, make sure you take advantage of these apps and start making money with them, taking advantage of the time you have and be able to pile that money up and put that somewhere that you can really grow and build into a long-term sustainable business that really changes your life. So my YouTube family, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like and I will catch you later.